brightly, inspiring others to join us on this magnificent journey. From us to you, to a healthy and vibrant life. In the symphony of life, our bodies dance to the rhythm of health, seeking harmony and resilience. Today, as we navigate a world teeming with challenges, there is an ancient secret to unlocking our inner fortress, boosting immunity and preventing illness. However, there are many ways to negate the possibility of illness, and that's where we come in. A healthy diet is the foundation of a strong immune system. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals, a healthy diet serves as a nourishing symphony for our bodies, providing a vital key to unlocking our full potential. It fuels our cells with essential nutrients, fortifying our immune system and empowering it to stand strong against illness. It acts as a powerful guardian, protecting our health and promoting the overall experience of life. This opens the gates for us to regularly exercise, which is not just for maintaining a fit physique, it's a powerful tool for boosting immunity. Physical exercise is the rhythmic symphony that awakens our bodies, infusing them with strength and resilience. Through its graceful movements, it harmonizes our muscles, bones, and cardiovascular system, creating a symphony of health. With each step, lift, and stretch, physical exercise becomes the conductor of our well-being. After a very intense workout, our body needs to hydrate itself. Hydration is the life-sustaining elixir that nourishes our bodies and fortifies our immune systems. By quenching our cells' thirst, it ensures optimal function and aids in the efficient elimination of toxins and waste. Like gentle rain on a parched landscape, proper hydration replenishes our defenses, keeping them primed to fend off potential invaders. Let us embrace the power of hydration, for within its liquid embrace lays the foundation of a resilient and thriving immune system. If the body is all taken care of, we can focus on the fact that a healthy mind is a healthy body. However, the opposite is also true. Chronic stress weakens the immune system and makes you more susceptible to illness. It's vital to prioritize self-care activities that promote relaxation and stress reduction. Whether it's practicing mindfulness, journaling, taking a warm bath, or enjoying a hobby, carve out time for activities that bring you joy and calm your mind. Not just that, maintaining healthy hygiene is also vital. Good hygiene is the shimmering shield that safeguards our health, warding off invisible adversaries. Through diligent hand washing, we cleanse away potential threats, restoring a pristine canvas of cleanliness. With every brushstroke of oral care and proper sanitation, we paint a masterpiece of defense, fortifying our bodies against illness. Let us embrace the artistry of good hygiene, for it is the masterpiece that keeps us vibrant and well. In the grand tapestry of life, our health stands as the masterpiece that we must diligently cultivate and protect. Boosting immunity and preventing illness are the brushstrokes that add depth and vibrancy to this masterpiece. By embracing a healthy lifestyle, nourishing our bodies, engaging in physical exercise, and practicing good hygiene, we become the artisans of our own well-being. Let us seize this opportunity to live in harmony with our bodies, unlocking the full symphony of vitality and embracing a life that is truly extraordinary. Together, we can paint a future where wellness and resilience shine. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey to explore healthy habits for boosting immunity and preventing illness. We hope you found this video to be informative and valuable for your well-being. Remember, your health is the most precious asset you have, and adopting these habits can make a world of difference. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, don't forget to show your support by giving us a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing to our channel. By hitting the bell icon, you'll stay updated with all our latest videos and never miss out on any health-related insights. Let's spread the message of good health and build a community dedicated to wellness. Together, we can empower each other to lead healthier lives and create a positive impact on the world around us. Once again, thank you for being a part of our community. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, your well-being matters. See you in the next video. Take care.